What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we got EK the Uter. On that we got EK the Uter, Baby J, Sichi Vato, Heat Check, shot by Halo Visions. We currently at 72 subs. Let's try to get to 75 subs. Yeah, let's try to get to 75 subs today. I think we can get 3 subs today. You feel me? And yeah, let's get to reaction. Hey, y'all let me know, is the Benz the new trapper car? The Benz the new trapper car? I see all the hood niggas with it and shit. Got some trap car and shit. Them Benz, BMWs.
Throw 5, throw 10, nigga, I'm throwing 30. Bro, slide up, start shooting like Curry. That bitch wanna fuck, but she can't cause she dirty. Never the type to do drizzle for Yerky. Pop out the coat with my knocker, get sturdy.
Hey.
Bullets punch him, his vision get blurry. Think that I'm lacking, ain't showing no mercy. Hollows is hot, that remember his jersey. Biggie BK when I step in the spot, new op in the air, bitch, we smoking on knobs. Yo, don't run, don't watch shots beating his face, leaving selling with stars. Like, I'm too tight with this shit. Told bro, spin back, keep popping this shit.
Nah, it's not even a few days in the fall time, you feel me? And niggas is quick to pull the Moncler coats out. Look at this shit. Birthday fall, Moncler vest coming out. Actually, niggas wearing text and all that. Oh, let me spin that back.
Set to the shop, they could both die. Don't got a bid, we spending a low ride. So body park up cause it's gold time. Keep the new bags in the streets, it's called showtime. The bitch that you watching me over. The nigga you be with a bitch and he don't slide. So since she pop out with the 4-5, you know he a demon, we blister from both sides.
Once I hop out the whip, I'ma blow my Baby J with me, you know that it's go time. Hollow tips, they get stuffed in a...
Hey, if anybody know the plug for them Burberry caps in New York, you feel me? I'm saying comment down the plug, you feel me? If you got any Burberry hat like that in the shit real, let me know. Cause I've been looking for him.
4-5, bitch, I've been sturdy with chops like 09. It's the Uter and Sichi, they better not play. We gon' slide where they stay, we put caution on tape. If he dragging his knuckles, get shot in his face. I got 62 ways in my Maybach, let's race. He wanna knock it like this shit the Navy. He get shot if he told no Stacy. I'm in the paint, ballin' like McGrady. And I dare nigga try to play me. And I'm back on the block rolling Jacob and Rip. Daddy too hot, he been feeding the click. Sliding through vice in your whip, getting switched. Everything cake out the mirrors in the set.
You know that's lit. Spin a block, send him shots, and they catch us a rip. Mr. Ready to boom, I don't care who we with. Shoot the bullet with me and he etching the clip.
Big tray, 5'7", that Sichi and Smith. Keep that shit on my hip like that shit is legit. Fell in love with the kick, smoke a shit out the zip. Mix him up with the brick, smoke him down to the clip. Big knock on my hip, yeah, nigga, this slip. Move, walk, get shot, anybody get hit.
Nigga called him a Uber, we send him a lift.
Ooh. What you say?
Nigga, this slip, move, walk, get shot, anybody get hit.
Nigga called him a Uber, we send him.
Nigga called him a Uber, we sent him a lift.
The clip, big knock on my hip, yeah, nigga, this slip, move, walk, get shot, anybody get hit.
Nigga called him a Uber, we send him a lift. We gon' lift him and send him the rip.
We gon' pack him and clap him right next to his bitch. I ain't leaving this seat to that.
We gonna rip him and clap him right next to his bitch, you feel me? I'm telling y'all, bro. Stop chilling in the track, man. Or anywhere, you feel me? Stop doing that with your female, cause your female will get shot.
Send him a lift. We gon' lift him and send him the rip.
We gon' pack him and clap.
Yeah, you feel me? It'd be like, the situation be like, you be chilling with your bitch right on the block or some shit, and somebody come slide on y'all, your bitch get shot before you. And now you feel fucked up.
Clap him right next to his bitch. I ain't leaving this seat till that little nigga stiff. Mr. Nowhere to run. Mr.
That's some real shit right there, what he said.
Ready to boom, dominate strip.
No, this shit was hard. I fuck with it. This is my first time reacting to Autumn. I seen Nessie Flocks in there, and yeah, I reacted to him, but it's my first time reacting to these niggas. So yeah, in the reaction, subscribe, like, comment. We out. Recording the one right after this. Game.